Zillow was wrong again. They claimed 8443 Canyon Oak Drive was worth $508,000 and $800. Spoiler alert, they were off by more than $21,000. How? We met our sellers a few weeks ago, and it was one of the rare homes that was truly ready for the market. It was absolutely stunning, and we take no credit. Then, we unleashed a viral marketing blitz, our targeted advertising campaign on Facebook and Instagram that generated over 30,000 views. An HDTV quality TV commercial that caught the eye of thousands of viewers. Catered open house that had over 33 different groups attend through the Sunday open house. The outcome? 7 offers, with 4 of which came directly from the open house, and with some sharp negotiation, our sellers received $20,000 over the asking price and $21,000 over the Zestimate. That still leaves 6 qualified and ready buyers searching for their new home. Sold for $530,000 to a buyer with no contingencies or repair needed. Dream price achieved. Thinking about selling in a week, a month, a year? It's never too early to start planning. DM me here or call directly at 202-812-9933.